Hey guys, congratulations. Those of you that participated in the graduation this past weekend, congratulations. We're almost done. Capstone is done, just two more classes to go. That finish line is in sight, and we have so many things that I'm sure each of us have to look forward to. For me, some of the things that I'm looking forward to, and the most important, is I'm getting married on June 29th. So we're in our final stages of wedding planning right now and getting all of those things finalized for our big day that is vastly approaching. I actually have my bridal shower this weekend and can't wait for that. After we get married, I'm super excited to spend some time on our honeymoon. We're going to be going to Greece and Italy, taking a cruise around there, spending time in the sun and touring. I'm really excited because neither of us have been to either country, so it's going to be super fun for us to explore something new together in our new life as husband and wife. I'm also looking forward to this summer. I'm going to visit my parents. They moved to Arizona last year to a new house and new development. So I'm going to spend some time with them this summer. And I'm really just looking forward to not having homework every single night and putting the computer away, spending time with my now fiance, soon to be husband, and our little puppy, spending time at the beach and just enjoying summer. I'm going to leave you with some words of encouragement. We're all girls and we can do it. Go, girls, go. We're almost there. Just think that summer's right around the corner. School's going to be let out in just a couple days. I know it's only 18 days left for me. I'm sure for most of you it's right around there. And there's so many great things that we can look forward to now that we have our masters. Hopefully, it's a pay increase for everyone like it is for myself. And always just remember to look on the brighter side of life. Best of luck, you guys, in the final works. Talk soon.